Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signing in now because recommendations follow your account. First, open History, manage all history, clear watch and search records, and then pause both. This removes the recent signals that feed the homepage algorithm, and pausing prevents new signals from rebuilding the same profile. Once done, YouTube has less data to propose similar videos. Make sure to pause on all devices if you use multiple apps so the change sticks across your account. Next, take direct action on the homepage. Click the three-dot menu on videos you don't want and choose Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel. Do this repeatedly for different content types to retrain the algorithm faster. The system updates based on volume. Also, switch your regular navigation to subscriptions or explore so you avoid the home feed while retraining. If you want a consistent, clean feed, keep using these menus until recommendations shift toward what you actually want. To finish, disable autoplay and turn off ad personalization in Google account settings. These steps reduce cross-signal reinforcement. If you need a stronger solution, use a browser extension that hides the home feed or browse YouTube in incognito to stop long-term personalization. If recommendations still appear, make sure all devices signed to your account were cleared and paused. Clear browser caches and app data as a troubleshooting measure. If problems persist, repeat hiding/unfollowing actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.